Hi, I'm Mike Costello. Welcome to MFC Equine. This is Tahlia. Tahlia is one of our interns, and she's also she works with us now, and she's doing her online courses, of course. And now she's got a young horse that a mother bought for her. This is a young Palomino colt, and he's going to be a cutter. So we're now in the program that we're educating this young horse now, getting ready for the breaker when the time comes.
So what made you want to become a horse trainer?
Well, I don't know, just sort of the love for horses sort of drove me to want to work with them.
Are you looking to become a horse trainer in the future?
I'm hoping to.
What sort of training do you want to do with horses? Like what discipline?
I'm hoping for cutting, but I'm thinking of also doing maybe everything.
Do you think maybe you could not just work with horses but also work with people and train people how to ride horses and stuff?
I think so. I think it'd be good to also be able to do that and help people with them.
How old were you when you first started to train your own horses?
We're about 14.
Is this the first horse you've trained, or have you trained others in the past?
First horse training from scratch, so training from the start.
Have you done any others, like trained parts of any others for certain things?
Yes, I've trained a little bit of some.
What discipline are you looking to do with this horse?
Hopefully training him for cutting.
Have you done much training with this guy?
I've done a little bit, but yeah, well, I've done a little bit.
How many horses are you training and working with at the moment?
It's probably 3.
Are they all from the cutting sort of industry or different disciplines?
All from the cutting.
Have any of the horses you are working with at the moment been handled at all?
Yes.
Thank you for coming and letting us interview you on GG Buzz Talking Horses.
It's all right?
No, thank you.